Imagine starting your day with a glass of freshly squeezed juice, bursting with flavor and nutrients. With the evolution of home juicers, this morning ritual has become easier than ever. Since their inception in the early 20th century, juicers have steadily improved, offering more features and efficiency for home use. Today, in 2024, we have an array of options to choose from, each promising to deliver the best juice experience right in the comfort of our kitchens. From the classic centrifugal juicers to the more advanced masticating models, there's something for every preference and budget. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best juicers for home use in 2024, highlighting their key features and benefits. Whether you're a health enthusiast looking to boost your daily intake of fruits and vegetables, or simply someone who enjoys a refreshing glass of juice, there's a juicer out there for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's begin. Number 5. Breville 3X Blueser Pro. This is my choice for best for easy cleanup juicer. It's a blender and juicer combined into one sleek stainless steel unit. With programmable features, it holds up to 50 fluid ounces and is dishwasher safe. You will love its 3.5-inch wide chute, cold spin technology, and 10-speed settings. Extract fresh juice directly into the jug and create smoothies or cocktails with ease. Enjoy silky textures with one-touch programs like Smoothie and Green Smoothie, or turn ice into snow for frozen cocktails. Its space-saving design and unique pulp bin placement maximize countertop space. The Blueser's kinetic bowl and blade system crush, chop, and aerate for versatile food processing tasks. Plus, it's compatible with the Vac Cube for smoother blends. Thanks to cold extraction system, there's minimal temperature increase during juicing. With short prep time and included accessories, it's convenient and efficient. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, it offers power, capacity, and simplicity for your juicing needs. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Health Smart. It is for best reliable juicer on our list. This juicer features a powerful motor and a durable plastic build with a glass finish. With 400 watts of power, it effortlessly juices fruits and vegetables. Its large chute reduces pre-cutting by 50%, saving you time and effort. The compact design takes up minimal space on your countertop and easily fits into cabinets for storage. Cleaning is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts, while the motor protection system ensures longevity. Simply press the on and off button, and fresh juice flows directly into your glass, cup, or pitcher. Enjoy nutritious, homemade juice with ease. Number 3. Omega Juicer. I recommend this as the best for value juicer on our list. It's white, made of plastic, and weighs 13.7 pounds. The special auto-reversing feature makes juicing easier. Remember to hand wash only as it's not dishwasher safe. With 150 watts of power, it has a large 68 ounces capacity, saving you prep time. Its all-in-one auger simplifies assembly and cleanup. This versatile juicer can make fruit juices, vegetable juices, nut milks, and even ice cream. It's smart too, with an auto-detection mode that adjusts for optimal performance. Plus, its 60-second memory feature lets you add more ingredients without resetting. Overall, it's a practical choice for those looking for efficiency and ease of use. Number 2. Elite Gourmet EJX 320. It is my pick for best for nutrient retention juicer on our list. With a powerful motor and a low-speed operation, this juicer extracts more juice from fruits and vegetables, resulting in higher yield and less waste. The large 5.2-inch feeding chute allows for hands-free use and durability, ensuring superior juicing capability. The slow, consistent pressing process retains more nutrients and enzymes, providing a healthier drink with a longer shelf life. Its superior auger design maximizes juice output, while the BPA-free, impact-resistant Triton food chamber accommodates whole or large-cut fruits and vegetables. This juicer is designed for easy cleaning with hand-wash-only instructions, making it a convenient and efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 1. Ninja JC 151. And this is my top choice for the best overall juicer on our list. It's a manual juicer by Ninja in a charcoal color with a stainless steel finish. It's sturdy, weighing about 7.9 pounds, and has a wattage of 150 watts. One of its special features is its ability to power through tough ingredients for continuous juicing. With total pulp control, you can customize your juice using 2 interchangeable pulp filters, less pulp or lots of pulp. The machine offers 2 one-touch programs for easy use: start, stop, and reverse. Its powerful high-torque motor base rotates the auger at low speeds. Setup is a breeze with simple assembly, and cleaning is hassle-free with dishwasher-safe parts. An anti-drip lever prevents messes and waste, keeping surfaces clean. Plus, its compact size makes it easy to store, even under cabinets. If you're looking for a reliable juicer that's easy to use and clean, this Ninja manual juicer is a solid choice. To wrap things up, don't miss out on upgrading your home juicing game in 2024 with one of these fantastic juicers. Remember, the key to healthy living starts right in your kitchen. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow juicing enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy juicing!